comes.
All right, here we are. Flick. Oh wow, it didn't. Wow,
man.
that was really weak. Flick, flick. Why is it not going all the way? All right. I just cannot get over how beautiful this Vention blue is.
It's a really nice color.
It really is. Its own shade of black. You know what I mean? Like loop licorice.
There's non blacker.
Looperish.
I like that.
I acknowledge that you thought of that.
There's the box. They open box one. So these get 18ers also.
I don't see how we can't get those.
It's fun.
It is fun.
How many hours of footage of me grabbing parts out of plastic bins do you have, Shane?
Oh, I see. Yeah, okay.
See, kids at home, this is why the order of operations is important, because we still need to put a lot more T-nut things in here.
It's basically just, it's the same thing as like IKEA or Legos or whatever.